Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn your photo into a sugar cookie style photo using the latest ChatGPT update. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your ChatGPT and then make sure your app is fully updated. And then next, just tap on menu icon and then go to image like this, and then just find the effect that called sugar cookie. This one, and then just choose your photo, or you can also take a new photo directly from your camera, for example like this. And when you're done, just tap on done and wait for the process. And okay, like this, in just a few moments your photo is transformed into a cute sugar cookie styles image like this. Honestly, it's so cute. And okay, that's it. Super easy and no extra apps needed. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.